the DJI Avtar to revolutionize first-person view flying through advanced 377-gram lightweight design enabling immersive 8.1-mile range transmission delivering professional FPV experiences. This sophisticated FPV drone features one 1.3-inch image sensor supporting 12-megapixel photography and comprehensive 4K video recording capabilities at 30, 50, 60 FPS enabling cinema-quality aerial content creation. The impressive 23-minute flight time combined with dual intelligent flight batteries provides substantial operational duration supporting extended exploration and cinematography sessions. The advanced O4 long-range transmission system incorporating to transmitter 4-receiver configuration with 4-antenna array delivers resilient signals reaching up to 8.1 miles enabling confident distance flight operations. We share by links in description box. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization system ensures smooth, professional-grade video throughout all flight regimes and maneuvers. The 155-degree wide field of view combined with f2.8 aperture captures comprehensive aerial perspectives suitable for diverse creative applications. The advanced intelligent flight battery delivering 2150 to 2600 mAh capacity provides reliable power throughout extended mission profiles. The comprehensive QuickShots capability including automated cinematography modes simplifies professional content creation enabling beginners rapid skill acquisition. The multiple recording resolutions accommodating 4K to 7K 1080p provide flexible optimization matching specific bandwidth and storage requirements. The operating temperature range spanning -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius enables global deployment throughout diverse climates. The GPS Galileo BDO multi-constellation GNSS positioning provides accurate hovering and position locking. The exceptional real-world customer satisfaction demonstrates consistent performance and reliable FPV experience. The outstanding value combining FPV immersion, 4K capability, 8.1-mile range, 23-minute flight, gimbal stabilization, and professional engineering establishes this drone as exceptional choice for serious FPV enthusiasts.